Are you looking to streamline order fulfillment while growing your Shopify business at the same time? Meet your new growth engine, the Amazon MCF and Buy with Prime app built just for Shopify. With multi-channel fulfillment, MCF, you can tap into Amazon's fast, reliable network to pick, pack, and ship your orders for all of your sales channels, 7 days a week, so you can spend less time on logistics and more time selling. And with Buy with Prime, you can offer millions of Prime shoppers fast, free delivery, easy returns, and a seamless checkout experience right on your Shopify store. Your shoppers can add both Prime-eligible products and any others to their cart, and then check out in one transaction. That's convenience. Save time, scale faster, and cut fulfillment costs up to 36% on multi-unit orders of Prime and MCF fulfilled items. Best part? Setup is simple. No coding, no monthly fee. Connect your Amazon account, manage product catalog, orders, and delivery tracking all from your Shopify admin. Ready to supercharge your store? Let Amazon do the heavy lifting. Download the app and get started today.